morning, guys. One more day starting here for me in Shanghai. This time meet my customer again, and yeah, just started off. And I don't know what's going on with my eyes. It's getting black there, you see? I'm not tired. I don't know. I just like. Anyway, good morning, guys. Just started my day here in Shanghai. Today, going walk, meet my customer again. That's the second day, and yeah, he's at a hotel. Today we visit two suppliers. I already called the supplier, the first one, and we are going there. So basically what I do here in Shanghai, as people don't know, I help my customers to find suppliers here in China, because most of my customers, they are big companies and they need to produce things here in China, since the labor costs here are lower than my country, back in my country. So I help to arrange the suppliers. I help them to negotiate the price. I help them to export, to check the products when they are in the production. I do some technical test for products. I do a lot of things basically for the industry. We are visiting this factory. This is the first one for today. The same as yesterday, just like laundry machines, as you can see here. But like industrial size, it's really big. We just made it here to the second factory of the same company. We're just visiting here. Also pretty big, and basically here what they built, like the tunnels for the machines. Finish our visit in the first company. It was pretty good, like it was big enough, you know. Now we're going to the next one called Shungduo, and it's just 6 kilometers. So those three companies that I found, we visited yesterday, the ones we visited. Now we are going one. My customer found it. I don't know what's the size of this company, but yeah, it should be okay. And it's just like 6 kilometers from the place where we were. All this area here, they work on the like a laundry machine area. They have a lot of industry here. It's like industrial park. They call Fantian here in Shanghai. And now we are making to the new factory. But yeah, let's check. I don't know what to expect, because it's always something you don't expect anything, and then you when you arrive there you see something different. Second factory here now. This is the deposit. Visiting more machines, washing machines as always, you know. So yeah, this is the second company on the second day. Yeah, that's basically the machines, and just make some videos, you know, inside of the workshop here. Still inside here, check out the products, and yeah, this factory is pretty big now. Like, I'm very happy with that. I think it's as good as the first one. So we're going to the other section to see the production. Finish our visit here. Now we visit 2 factories. It's already like 2 o'clock, so it's time to go back. It's like 1.5 hours from the place that we were until Shanghai city center. So yeah, it's 2 hours on the car now. Listen to some music. Yeah, and the 2 visits was pretty good. The first one was acceptable, not the best one, not so. It's okay. It's just give them face, you know, and smile. But the second one's pretty good, as good as the first one yesterday. So I think both companies good. Just need to check the price and what they can give us good price, you know. But yeah, basically it was that, and now it's time to go back to Shanghai.